about to leave.
Hi guys!
What's up guys? We're about to leave.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Tapos anong araw ang gagawin?
Aray ko.
Sorry.
Gabayan niyo po kami ngayon sa aming
So we arrive at Naiya International Airport at Terminal 3. At nandito na po sa likod namin ng airplane.
Vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head.
Just landed at Iloilo Airport.
Yeah, and today we have a very fun field activity for the entire day for all of you. But I know for a fact na medyo kulang pa tayo sa tulog.
So, hi guys. As you can see, hinihingal po ako kasi tingnan naman yung steps na nilakad ko. Basta hindi kita sa baba pero ito yung sa taas kasi. Yan. It's a pilgrimage siya. And then, it's 480 steps. Kaya hingal na hingal ako. Wait lang.
In the 80s, yung mga puno sa gilid ng sa pampang ng river used to be informal settlers, or another term.
And get ready for a spectacular evening.
Say hi.
And then yung ating mga bandstands na makikita sa mga district plazas where performers in the olden days would perform. May mga banda-banda din sila at rondalya. Tapos we have the
so blessed to have you here.
Don. Ang liit pa yan.
Ganito yun po yung mga gawa-gawa. Go.
Tao, bagay, hayop, pagkain, lugar. Event? Wait lang.
Let's go, ma'am. You can do this.
Wait lang, festival ba? Mascara, festival.
Kinuha.
Pala dito.
Thank you.